This is one of our favourite homes so far, mainly because of the location, but also because it's full of character, has been completely renovated, and is ready to be lived in immediately. It's literally a stone's throw from Lago di Valli in Tuscany, and has beautiful views of the lake and surrounding hills. This beautiful stone villa has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and is spread over 3 floors of living space. According to the realtor, the heating is with radiators, powered by a pellet boiler. There are solar panels on the roof for domestic hot water. Unfortunately, they don't state whether it's being sold furnished or not. Even if not, it's still an excellent value with an asking price of just €120,000. It could be used year-round, or as a second home, or as a rental. The nearest train station is in Castelnuovo di Garfagnana, which is about 20 minutes away. Both Pisa and Florence airports are just under 2 hours by car, or 2.5 hours by train connecting through Lucca. Lago di Valli and the surrounding area is great for swimming, fishing and hiking, but if you prefer a more gentrified swimming spot, there is also a public swimming pool, which has stunning views, is within walking distance of the house, and is open in the summer. There is a link to the realtor's original listing in the video notes below. Please contact them directly with any questions, or if you'd like more information about this stunning house. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more exceptional Italian homes for sale under €150,000.